Most food and beverage manufacturers share three common goals: maximize productivity, improve yield, and ensure compliance. Achieving these goals requires overcoming many new and emerging forces, and it simply can no longer be done with paper, spreadsheets, or point solutions. SafetyChain puts the performance of your plant in the palm of your hand with the industry's #1 plant management platform. From receiving to loadout, you can collect, manage, and analyze real-time operational data to drive continuous improvement for every facility. SafetyChain is purpose-built for manufacturers with fully integrated and configurable tools for production, quality, compliance, and much more. Leverage real-time mobile and automated data collection from your tablets, devices, equipment sensors, PLCs, and APIs. All of this with a single cloud-based application that can be used on any device with any operating system for a single plant or enterprise-wide. Trusted by over 1,500 facilities, SafetyChain has the proven platform to future-proof your business. You have goals, and we can get you there. SafetyChain. Put the performance of your plant in the palm of your hand.